morning. Hey, how you doing? I'm Brian Altman from DBS Remodel, and welcome back to On the Job. We are on the job down here in Hopewell. I'm with Mike Whalen, who's our project manager on this project. I'm doing a great job here, putting a basement in for a couple, a little extra elbow room, some living space for the kids, a little office area. And what we're doing right here is just backfilling our egress window. And why are we putting in this egress? It's awesome. It's going to do two things. First, it's for code, a little extra safety to, escape from a place if we had to. But really, we're cutting some beautiful light into this basement. We want this space to feel just like upstairs, so legitimate living space. So we're having a great time here. Mike and his entire team doing an awesome job. Clients have been excellent to work with, so it's been a privilege to be here, and thanks for tuning in. Talk to you soon.